When we talk about longevity after 50, and that would be me, we often focus on joint health or energy levels, but we completely forget about the physical architecture of our blood vessels. Have you thought lately about the important roadway of blood vessels in your body? This is a reminder to self and all of us. And here is the biological reality. As we age, the flexible elastin fibers in our blood vessels naturally decay and are replaced by stiffer collagen. This process makes our arteries more rigid, forcing the heart to work harder to maintain proper circulation. Today, I'm sharing 3 simple, non-negotiable habits to naturally support your vascular walls, lower your arterial tension, and optimize your blood flow for long-term health span. So let's get into this topic because it's doable. Habit number 1, proactive cellular hydration. Hey, don't wait until you feel thirsty to drink. I've seen that everywhere I've been in this entire world. Dehydration is a hidden drain on your brain health. When you're dehydrated, your overall blood volume drops, and that causes the liquid portion of your blood, your plasma, to decrease. This makes your blood physically thicker and more viscous, forcing your heart to work significantly harder to push it through rigid vessels, ultimately reducing the delivery of oxygen to the brain. So stay on top of your pure water intake and enhance it with antioxidant-rich green or ginger tea to help those vessel walls relax. And of course, drink plenty of water. Habit number 2, feed your vessel walls. Your vascular system relies on a natural compound called nitric oxide to signal its highways to open up and expand. To naturally boost this production without pills, integrate a daily serving of pure beetroot juice or an extra helping of your what I call green guys like the arugula, the kale, or Swiss chard. These foods are packed with natural nitrates and act like an immediate physical release valve for arterial stiffness. And let's move to the final habit number 3. Get rhythmic, intentional movement. You don't need grueling high-impact workouts to fix your circulation. Simple daily habits like a brief 10-minute walk after lunch or deliberate ankle rotations and desk stretches during your work hours. These physically flush out stagnating blood. This gentle movement mechanically prompts your vessel linings to stay supple and elastic. So, in summary, folks, maintaining your health span after 50 isn't about massive, exhausting overhauls. It's about knowing how to seamlessly insert these small, powerful habits into your existing lifestyle. And if you'd like my professional clinical circulation supplement guides, click on my full script link below. And if you want direct, personalized help designing an unshakable daily routine that helps your longevity, book a private one-on-one coaching session with me via the Set More link in the description box. This is Shirley, your holistic lifestyle specialist. Breathe deep and stay resilient.